Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Compound interest. Compound interest is the interest added to the principal so that the added interest also earns interest from then on, normally denoted by CI. Compound interest, so we can say compound interest is the interest calculated on the initial principal and also on the accumulated interest of previous periods of a deposit or loan. Compound interest can be thought as interest on interest. Compound interest CI is equal to P into R to the power n, where P is the principal, R is the rate per period, n is equal to periods. So A is equal to P plus CI is equal to P plus CI. For CI we can write P into R to the power n. So it comes to P into 1 plus R to the power n. Compounding period. Compounding period is the unit period at the end of which the interest is added to principal to compute the interest for the next period. In compound interest, the amount yielded, that is principal plus interest, become the principal for the next period. So the computation of compound interest depends on the period interval, that is compounding period. So the interest computed at the same rate for the same principal for the same period would yield more if the compound period is smaller, that is compounded more frequently. So the interest is added more frequently. So the interest on 5,000 at 12% per annum compounded half yearly or quarterly would yield more than compounded annually. Computation of interest compounded half yearly. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 2 by 100 to the power 2n, where R is equal to annual rate of interest, n is equal to number of payment period. Computation of interest is compounded quarterly. So here A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 4 by R by 4 by 100 to the power 4n, where P is the principal amount and A is the amount including interest and principal. Compute the compound interest on rupees 5,000 for 3 years at 10% per annum. Step 1. Here A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Here P is 5,000, n is equal to 3 years, R is 10%. So A is principal plus interest. So in step 2, we get A is equal to 5,000 into 1 plus 10 by 1,000 cube to the power 3, that is the number of years, is equal to P 5,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100, that is 3 to the power 3, is equal to 5,000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 is equal to 5 into 11 into 11 into 11 is equal to 6655. So in step 3 we get interest is equal to 6655 minus 5,000, that is the principal amount, is equal to 1655. In what time rupees 12,000 will amount to rupees 13,230 at 5% compound interest? Here is step 1. We get A, we know A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Here P is equal to 12,000, A is equal to 13,230 and R is equal to 5%, that is 5 by 100. So 13,230 is equal to 12,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power n. or 1 plus 5 by 100 to the power n is equal to 13,230 by 12,000 is equal. So 105 by 100 to the power n is equal to 441 by 400, simplifying the right hand side. So 21 by 20 to the power n is equal to 441 by 400 is equal to 21 square by 20 square. So that gives you 21 by 20 square. So n is equal to 2. So in 2 years rupees 12,000 will amount to rupees 13,230 at 5% compound interest. Find the compound amount and compound interest on rupees 5,000 at 6% compounded semi-annually for 6 years. It is given that 1 plus I to the power n is equal to 1.42576 for I is equal to 3% and n is equal to 12. Here I is equal to 6 by 100 for 1 year. So for half year the rate of interest is 6 by 2 by 100 is equal to 0.03. So I is equal to 0.03, n is equal to 12 because the 12 period of half year, P is equal to 5,000. So compounded amount is A, that is principal plus interest, is equal to P into 1 plus I to the power n is equal to 5,000 into 1 plus I to the power n is equal to 1.425576. It is given. So we get 5,000 into 1.42576 is equal to 7,128 into 0.80. So that is the amount including principal and interest A. So interest is equal to 7128.80 minus 5,000 is equal to 2,128.80. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.